Hi everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming class. Now we'll see the second part of interface. Please use headphone for better audio quality. So already I told that interface contains variable definition and method declaration only. The next one, extending interface. In a class can directly integrate the resources from only one superclass. An interface can directly integrate the resource from one or more interfaces. That means a keyword extends is used for this purpose. The syntax for extending only one interface, that is interface keyword space name 1 extends name 2. Then next open curly brace body of the interface name 1 close curly brace. Here name 1 is the sub interface and name 2 is the super interface. Extending more than one interface. The syntax for extending more than one interface name 1 extends name 2 comma name 3 up to name n. The next body of name 1. Here name 1 is a sub interface and the super interfaces are name 2, name 3 up to name n. Here note, a sub interface should not implement the method declared in its super interface because it is also an interface. That means super and sub interfaces, so both are defining the variables and declaring the methods only. The class that implements the sub interface should furnish the codes not only for the method declared in the sub interface but also for the method declared in the super interface. That means the class defines all the methods declared in the sub and the super interfaces. Program for extending more than one interface. Consider an example, interface name 1. Here that interface name 1 contains only one method, that is the method name is I1, return data type is integer. The second interface name is name 2, it contains only one method, the method name is I2. The next one, third one, interface name 3 extends name 1 and name 2. Here the interface name 3 contains only one method, that method name is I3, its return data type is boolean. Here now there are three interfaces are there, name 1, name 2 and name 3. Name 3 is a sub interface, its super interfaces are name 1 and name 2. The next one, class test implements name 3. Class test implements name 3 means here the test class implements name 3. So implements name 3 means all the methods declared in the name 1, name 2, name 3 should be defined inside the class. That was first method int I1, so public keywords return 100. Public double I2 return 25.5. Public boolean I3 return true. Now the class definition over. Next we will go to the main program. Class interface public static void main test space t equal to new test. Now we are going to create the object for the test class. Okay. Next system.out.println t.i1. So t.i1 means control transfer to the function i1. That function returns integer value 100. Next t.i2 returns the value 25.5. t.i3 returns the value true. Extending a class and implementing the interface. Already all of you know that in inheritance concept, a class extends only one superclass. Okay, a class shall extend another class and at the same time it shall also implement one or more interfaces. Syntax, extending one class and implementing one interface. Class subclass name extends superclass name, implements interface name. That means this subclass extends one superclass and implements one interface. Okay, here the open curly brace body of the class. The next one, second syntax is extending one class and implementing more than one interface. That means here the interfaces are separated by the commas. Class subclass name extends superclass name, implements interface name 1 comma interface name 2 up to interface name n. Then next body of the class. This class contains, this class should define all the methods declared in the all the interfaces. Program for extending the class and implementing one interface. Consider an example. Here the interface name is area. That interface contains only one method, calculate area, returns the data type double. Then second one, class shape. Class shape void display, system.out.println, name of the shape is circle. Here one interface is there, one class is there. The class contains only one method, that is void display. Display function display name of the shape is circle. The next one, class circle extends shape, implements area. Here the class name is circle, its base class is shape and implements interface area. Okay, then area, one method is that is calculate area. We have to define the coding for the calculate area also. Here in the class circle having only one variable int radius, then one constructor function circle int radius, this dot radius equal to radius. The next one methods in the interface calculate area, public double calculate area, return math.py into radius. Here math.py means is equivalent to 3.14. Next one, main class interface, public static void main, circle space is equal to new circle. Here the 10 value is passed to the constructor function, then radius equal to 10. That is c dot radius equal to 10. Then next one, c dot display function. Here the display function display the message, name of the shape is circle. Okay, next system.out.println circle area, c dot calculate area, control transfer to the calculate area function and perform the operation pi r square. That is 3.14 into 10 into 10. The resultant value is displayed here. Okay. Accessing the interface variable. So already I told that in interfaces, variables are final constants. Constant values will be available to any class that implements the interface. Consider an example, interface area int a equal to 20. Then double calculate area method only declared. It's a valid statement. Class circle implements area, same coding. The next one int radius and circle constructor function. Then public double calculate area. The next one main function also same. Here circle space is equal to new circle. Next here object is created, c dot calculate area, c dot calculate so at the time of constructor, at the time of creating the object, it call the constructor function this dot radius equal to a. Now the a value equal to 20, the 20 is assigned to radius. The next one c dot calculate area, c dot calculate area means control transfer to the calculate area function, then pi r squared, pi into 20 into 20. The answer is 1256. The next one system dot out dot println c dot a. Here the c is an object of the class circle. Dot a means corresponding variable, that is interface variable 20. Already I told that a is the public variable. We can access the data from anywhere. So here output equal to c dot a equal to 20. Now we conclude the session. We studied about interfaces. Thanks for watching. Thank you.